Talk to her. What is she doing? What am I doing? How's it going? Yeah, let's make it smaller. Let's put it. What's goody? I'm the Bud Breeze too much. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. And if you're looking like too much, who? Binge watch some videos so you get to know who I am. Because watching one video, you're not gonna know. Okay? So today, I got a different type of video for y'all today. With educational purposes. Y'all can see me. You can see me. I'm trying to figure out these videos where people got they little self in the corner, but they showing a little info, showing y'all what's up or whatever. That's what I'm trying to do. So y'all see. So today I'm showing you guys how to make your business logos. Something simple, not long or too crazy, just the simplest way that I know how. I got it over here all small. I should extend it, right? So y'all can actually see. Can y'all see? Okay. So I'm happy. We finally got a good little setup going. So then boom, you already know this is Canva. Click on it again so y'all can see what's up. So this is Canva. Once you go into Canva, you sign in or whatever. First of all, you have a paid in-app Canva, and you have a free trial Canva. Free things, you get the basics. If you want better fonts, better templates, you gotta pay for it. $12.99 a month, y'all. I pay for it. But here you see it says logos. You can scroll. It's calling me. Somebody was calling me. So boom, on here on the sides you see we have plenty of templates that you can choose from over here, so you could get samplers or ideas of the type of logos you want to do, right? So all types of things. So you got those, you got gallery stuff where you can go and take pictures out your actual phone and stuff you got saved to your thing. Don't mind some of those, you guys. My stuff, uploads, photos. You got, this is where you enter your texts, pictures, and they have background and a few others. But right now we're not gonna choose a template. We're just gonna do straight text and we're gonna start with a clear background because I'm gonna design my own. I'm actually gonna design script because I love script. You could actually type in up here script and search, and then it will bring you to several spaces, several different areas, or different type of script that they have, right? So then now you see that they have different types of script, so you get to pick how you actually want your actual font to look. So I picked that one, but I'm gonna show y'all a little trick, okay? Yeah, I want that, and it was like, okay, it has other stuff onto it or whatever. You don't have to keep it. You can double click it there, and you can delete it. Me, since that's the one I like, I'm gonna use my name. So let's do Sue. See, what the hell is that? Sue. Right? But then I don't really like doing the script because I have a number in it. So I'm just going to use my name. My name is Sadine, y'all. Nice to meet you. So I'm going to use Sadine, right? Just plain Sadine. Boom. I like how it looks. Now up here, you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. Over here, you can go in there and change the color. Up here is the color. See it here on the side. So you could change the color of your font. You could do it like that. That pink. I like this purple a little bit. It's really giving me it's really giving me vibes. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just gonna do something like that. Matter of fact, let's go elegant. Let's do black. Boom. After that, you could click down here where it says background. You could start adding stuff into the photo. Why is my stuff moving so slow? Boom. You can add stuff in there. So it's a sedine. You know, let's pick another example and show you guys. I just want you guys to see more so how all the function works. Boom. Let's try that one. Okay. You know, so I'll just show you different ones. And then you have the sparkly. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to white, and then now you have here, which you have styles. You can change the color up, make it bigger, smaller. You just have so much options to where like you could just completely come on here and just be yourself, let your imaginations run wild, and create something amazing that's gonna speak about you and your brand. Okay? So it don't have to be perfect the first time around. You could just play around with it. You know, see what else they have to offer. Let me see. Okay. So we're here. Like I said, we come back over here to where it says elements. You have different little shape, colors, little displays, little, you know, just different stuff you could add. Also, to your art, to your design, to your baby. You can even do audios, you guys. It is crazy. Okay, we're gonna go back to all. Let's check this out. What is this? I don't like that one. Let's see what they have. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, I don't know. For some reason, I'm just like get the triangles right now. Talk to her. What is she doing? What am I doing? How's it going? Yeah, let's make it smaller. Let's put it. I don't know. I just was like, boom, just leave it like that. I don't know. Who chatting? We chatting? We chatting? What we chatting about? Let's move this star. Let's get rid of this star. Sadine's corner. We chatting over her. You know what I'm saying? Okay. You a blogger or something. That'd have been cute. Like, you know? Create a thing. I'm not just gonna sit here and not do something. Let me see. R. To a white R. What that R look like that? Come here. Come here. In a minute, y'all. Launch date will be through December 12th through the 15th. And I'm doing this and show y'all. No lie. I'm really gonna like, that's what I don't like. You gotta move stuff up far away from each other so you can move stuff around. But these are all ideas. But y'all get the point. If y'all just wanted something like, you know what I'm saying? this is how to do it. Canva got it all. And like I said, y'all could pay and get more fonts, different types, different styles. It's a whole bunch of things that on here y'all could do. So I just wanted to show y'all one of the ways and one of the quickest and easiest ways where you can sit here and really create and build your own stuff. I mean, yeah, you can go on Fiverr and ask somebody to do it for you and pay somebody, give, you know, support your small businesses. Ones that just want to do it they sell. There you go. I really hope this video helps. And if y'all have any more questions, don't forget to leave the comments below. Subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can see first when I do videos like these. Yeah. When you ready to save where you finish, you know, you can come over here. Save image. You can pick anywhere in your phone you want to send it. As well, you guys, if y'all want help on making thumbnails or want me to make a video on how I make my thumbnails, please leave a comment below and I will definitely come and look it up. You already know. Okay, real quick, I just want to show y'all real quick, because the last time I just might run through this logo. I just want to show y'all real quick how to make another kind instead of just words. And if you already feel like you have a logo already, you just want to do some stuff or you want to add stuff to it, boom. Look at that, y'all. That's my my logo for my last business or whatever. You could even put and save stuff from your previous launches, branding. That's my logo for my other business. I really love it. I'm moving your logo or downloading your logo if you're not making it on on Canva. You can now upload this anywhere. You can make business cards on here, thank you cards, flyers, animation videos, promo videos, ads, everything, the works, you name it. So yeah, this is here. And thank you for watching my video, you guys. I hope this was very helpful. I haven't done a how-to video in a while. If you go back and check some of my old videos, I show you how to sell on Mercari. I showed y'all how to sell on Poshmark. I showed y'all how to get cryptocurrency. Just know I'm back on it. I'm staying consistent. I've said it before, I said it and went MIA, but you will see. I even had a video that I'm uploading today. Okay, this is the whole video right now. I'm shooting before another video even go up. Right after this, I'm going to make my thumbnail, and I just might record the video on how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. But anyway, bye.